This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Hairston. Nice 3 or 4 bedroom home in Bayview, just blocks from the Chesapeake Bay. Very convenient to military bases, beach and interstate. Open floor plan with combo living room and dining area. Huge converted garage with full bath and laundry area, could be 4th/master bedroom or den. Many options. Includes detached garage/storage shed. No smoking inside. One pet under 50 pounds may be negotiable. For more information, review the details below.